welcome back to my channel The Blush Babe. My name is Mrunmayee and welcome to another video. Now as you guys already know, it was my birthday in May and I shopped quite a few things for my birthday. So Nykaa had its Super Summer Saver sale and all the products were literally half the price. अब ऐसे situation में मैं shop नहीं करूँगी ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So I have a good amount of products with me today. So you guys can see I have a lot of products with me and only 2 of them are skincare products. Rest of them are makeup. Now it has been super long since I've tried some new makeup. So I thought why not do it now. अभी भी Nykaa पे 40 to 60% सेल चल रहा है तो अगर आपने अभी तक नहीं देखा होगा so go and check it out. Now the price of these products might be a little changed but you will definitely get a discount on each one of these. मतलब इनमें से ना 99% ऐसे products है जो मैंने बिल्कुल भी try नहीं किए अभी तक. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's just quickly get into the video. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about are these liquid eyeshadows. These are from Swiss Beauty and these are so pretty and pigmented, you guys. Now I never have worked with liquid eyeshadows. This is the first look that I created with this. So I got 2 of these and one of them is 06 Molten Midnight and the other one is 05 Rose Gold Retro, and look at how pretty they look. Now the Molten Midnight is kind of a silver glittery shade and the 05 Rose Gold Retro is a rose gold color, pretty rose gold color, you guys can see. The one that I've used on my eyes is this Molten Midnight color and look at the pigment. Just for you to get a better idea, I'm gonna swatch these for you. Let me show you guys. Wow. Now the best part about liquid eyeshadows is that they just hold on to the pigment so much. I hope you guys can see the bling in these. Also what I really liked about these shadows is that they glide onto your eyes very well. Now you don't have to go on a second coat. It just gives you all the right amount of color in just one go. Now even being liquid eyeshadows, they are not at all heavy on your eyes. They feel super light. In fact, I personally feel that they are lighter than the normal eyeshadows, powder eyeshadows that we use. Also, they do not smudge at all, which is great. Now, the price of these eyeshadows is $199 each, but on Nykaa, the sale is going on and you get these for around $150. I mean, even $200 for this is not a bad price. Now, Swiss Beauty has introduced a lot of other colors as well in this range and I honestly loved all of it, but I cannot buy all of it at once, so I just got these 2. These were my probably the best, most favorite ones. I'm gonna finish all of the makeup products first and then I'll move on to the skincare so it won't confuse you guys. So the next thing that we have are these lipstick. Now you guys know what a sucker I am for lipsticks. These are from Lakme and आप लोगों को भी पता होगा कि नायका पे, लैक्मे, मेबेलिन इन ब्रांड्स पे कितना ज्यादा डिस्काउंट चल रहा रहता है. सो आई गॉट द लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट मैट अल्टीमेट लिप कलर एंड आई गॉट दीज 2 ब्यूटिफुल शेड्स that belong to very different families. So the shades that I have are 302 Chocolate Brownie and 206 Delicious Plum, and they do look very delicious. So I'll just open them and show you guys the swatches so you guys can get a better idea of the colors. And this packaging is so luxe, you guys. I absolutely love it. Looks like a high-end brand. So this color is the Chocolate Brownie. I'm just gonna swatch it for you guys and you guys can see it glides on so well. I mean, you don't even have to apply any pressure for these. These also have argan oil, so they glide onto your lips very well. Now this is the exact same color that I'm wearing on my lips, so you guys can see how pretty it looks. Now I am absolutely in love with this particular color. I have also wore it in my bloopers video and I'm literally going crazy over this. So the second color that we have is the Delicious Plum and this is also a very pretty color. If you are a fan of pinkish kind of shades, then you must go for it. Pink and purples, this one is for you. Let me just swatch it. You guys can see, oh my god, just one swipe and you get this color. Also look at how matte they are. Now of course they do smudge a little because they are not liquid lipsticks, they are cream lipsticks and they do transfer a bit, but that's okay. We can absolutely work with these beauties. Now talking about the price of these lipsticks, they are a little expensive to be honest. They are 800 rupees each, but because of the sale, thank god, I got them for rupees 800. both of them for rupees 800. Now these combined would have gotten me 1600 rupees, but I got them for 800, which is half the price, and that's amazing. You guys know how much of a fan I am of Lakme, and if you guys want me to do a one brand tutorial with Lakme, then let me know in the comments down below and I would love to do it. Now the next product that we have is an eyeliner, and it's from Nykaa, and the brand is Nykaa actually, and this one is not a black eyeliner. It's actually a green eyeliner. Now I do have like blue eyeliner and black eyeliner, but I never ever had green eyeliner, so I really wanted to buy it. Now I am recently going crazy over different colors of eyeliner, so I had to get this one, and you guys can see such a beautiful green color it is. Let me swatch it for you guys, and I hope you guys can see. I hope the camera does justice for it, because it's a very dark bottle green kind of a color and it looks super beautiful on the eyes. Now the shade we are in is 03 Enchanting Forest, and wow, I am in love with this shade. The only thing I didn't like about this eyeliner is that it takes a lot of time to dry. But once it dries, oh my god, it looks super duper pretty. Now the brand claims that it's water resistant and smudge proof and stays up to 10 hours. Now I really doubt that. I mean, no eyeliner stays up to 10 hours. But yeah, one thing I would agree is that it is water resistant and it is smudge proof. I mean, not if you're rubbing your eyes continuously, it will come off if you do that. But yeah, it won't come off on its own. So yeah, those were all the makeup products that I bought, and now I'm moving on to the skincare products. So for skincare, the first thing that I have is this sunscreen. It's from Lakme again, and I'm not going into any details for this because I have talked about this in almost all my videos. It's very light, it's non-sticky, it does not come off with the sweat, and it suits all the skin types. Also, it dries off matte, which is great, and it does not make you feel super oily. Now it has 50 plus SPF because I honestly need a lot of SPF. यहाँ पे मुंबई में बहुत ज्यादा धूप होती है, इसलिए you have to wear a sunscreen that has a good amount of SPF in it. The price of this sunscreen is 500 rupees, but I think I got it on a discount, so yeah, that's cool. Now the last product on my skincare range is this under eye cream from the Moms Co, and I am in love with this product. I mean, I have used it for like a week now and it really works properly on my eyes. Now I'm not saying it has reduced all the dark circles, but it does remove the puffiness under my eyes and also hydrates my eyes like anything. Now they say it has coffee oil, vitamins E and B3, and they are so good for your eyes. Plus it also has chamomile oil, and oh my god, I cannot just believe that this product works so much wonders on your eyes. Now I am the kind of person who used to wake up with puffy under eyes, and it just pisses me off so much. No matter what, no matter how early I sleep or do anything, my eyes used to be very puffy in the morning. But this has worked on it very well. अब dark circles के बारे में मैं नहीं बता सकती because 7 दिन में dark circles आपके वैसे भी गायब नहीं होने वाले हैं. I'll have to use it for at least a month to see the results. So yeah, on that I will keep you guys posted, updated. अगर मेरे dark circles सचमुच इससे कम हो रहे होंगे तो I will let you know. So this is how it looks like. The packaging is also very nice, and it comes with a roller like this. So you have to pump it from here and then the cream comes out, and then you'll just have to massage it under your eyes. Very easy to use, very handy, and you can carry it anywhere, literally anywhere. You don't even have to use your fingers for anything, which is great. The roller works best. It also has hyaluronic acid, chia seed oil, avocado oil and omega-3 acid, which are great for your eyes, which are in fact great for your skin. Now this cream do not have silicone oil or parabens or mineral oil or any of that harmful stuff. So I would totally recommend this to you guys. Now as much as I'm in love with lipsticks, I am also in love with nail polishes like crazy. So the last thing that I have on my list is this beautiful nail polish. You guys can see how pretty this color actually is. Now I am wearing it on my nails and look at how beautiful it is. Again, it's from Nykaa and it's their matte nail lacquer, and I am in the shade Blueberry Frosting 16. Now I am recently obsessed with all the cool tones when it comes to nail polish. delicious. As you guys already know, I only wear cool tones these days. And as soon as I saw this color, I was in love with it. I was like, I had to get this color anyhow, and so I got it, and I am not regretting even a bit. Now this actually retails for around 150 rupees, but I think I got it on a good discount, which is great. And wow, it absolutely does what it says. It is matte, you guys can see. It's not shiny, it's very matte, and it looks very pretty on my nails personally, I feel. So yeah, those were all the products that I got from Nykaa this time, and I hope you guys loved it. I hope you guys liked all my recommendations. And if you're purchasing anything from what I've recommended, then please let me know. I would love your review on it. Comment down below if any of these products interest you even a little, and what products are you willing to buy. If you like this video, then please give it a big fat thumbs up. Share it with all your friends and family, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also hit the little notification bell down there so that whenever I come up with a video, you will get notified. And if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Mrunmayee. I come up with videos every Monday and Friday at 11. So stay tuned for my next video. Follow me on all my social handles that will appear on the screen, because I'm super active on Instagram as well as Facebook. Don't forget to check out all the videos linked in the description box as well as in the iCard, so that you guys can get all the good content that I create. And I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful, stay happy, stay home, and stay safe. Bye bye.